What if one machine could launch your dream business? No big factory, no massive investment, just one smart tool and a good idea. In this video, you'll discover 24 real business ideas powered by just one machine each. Simple setups you can start from home, a garage, or even a small room. These aren't just ideas, people are already making money with them. Let's jump in and see how one machine can turn into real profits. Pencils are always in demand in schools, offices, art studios. With a pencil-making machine, you can produce hundreds of pencils daily. Add value by using recycled newspaper or customizing the outer design. You can even supply directly to schools or sell in local stationery stores. With a paper plate machine, you can create plates for street food stalls, caterers, and events. You can add a branding element like printed logos or eco-friendly labels. Local festivals and weddings offer a great market for bulk orders. Spiritual products have constant demand in homes, temples, and meditation centers. You can make aromatic incense sticks and supply them to local stores, yoga centers, or even export online. Experiment with unique fragrances like sandalwood, lavender, and rose to build a niche. People love candles for relaxation, gifting, and decoration. With a small candle machine, you can make scented, floating, or even chakra-themed candles. Sell them in gift stores, spas, and via Instagram or craft fairs. Tea stalls, juice shops, and event organizers need paper cups in bulk. You can build a recurring supply model for local vendors. Go a step further by offering custom-printed cups for branding. Home-style masalas are in demand, especially if they're fresh and fragrant. Start your own spice brand with unique blends like garam masala, chaat masala, or biryani mix. Sell them in resealable pouches with simple recipes printed on the back. Natural oils are popular for both cooking and skincare. Extract oils like coconut, sesame, or mustard and package them in glass bottles. Market your products as unrefined, chemical-free, and premium for health-conscious buyers. Homemade curd is a staple in many regions. You can supply it fresh to households, local stores, or even deliver directly to customers. Add variations like probiotic curd or flavored options for kids. Everyone uses detergent, and you can make your own eco-friendly or budget version. Sell it to local households in refillable bottles or build tie-ups with laundries. Offer subscription refills for consistent income. Hotels, restaurants, salons, and even households need tissue rolls every day. Produce paper napkins, facial tissues, or kitchen rolls and supply them to businesses. Add your brand name and promote it as soft, absorbent, or eco-friendly. Snacks like banana chips are loved by all age groups. You can flavor them with spicy, salty, or even sweet coatings. Package in small sachets and sell to schools, shops, or via a food cart. Educational supplies are in constant demand. You can make dustless chalk for schools, coaching centers, and tuition teachers. Even colored chalks for art purposes are a great add-on. This machine helps you recycle plastic waste into reusable materials. You can collect used bottles and plastic wrappers, shred them, and supply to recycling factories. Run awareness drives in your neighborhood to source more material. Install your juice machine in a cart or store and serve fresh juices. Offer seasonal drinks like mango, watermelon, or sugarcane. Promote hygiene and eco-friendly packaging to gain regular customers. With this machine, you can make customized envelopes in various sizes. Target businesses, stationery shops, and wedding card makers. Offer logo printing and branding to increase order value. This is a perfect summer business idea. Create your own flavors and offer it as home delivery or via stalls. Experiment with vegan, sugar-free, or fruit-based variants for niche markets. With so many online sellers and shops, packaging is a huge need. Make corrugated boxes in different sizes for fragile, food, or e-commerce products. Offer printing services for logos or product details. Use food and garden waste to create organic compost. Package it in sacks and sell to nurseries, plant shops, or online gardening groups. Collaborate with communities to collect waste from households. Create beautiful cardboard gift boxes in unique shapes. Target online sellers, gifting stores, or festival businesses. Offer custom printing for brands or event organizers. As you just saw, a single machine can unlock the door to an entire business. These aren't just ideas, they're actionable opportunities. So choose one, do your research, and start small. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical business content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.